Hi guys, we have new unboxing here. It's called Watch Swiss Army. It's dual time. So yeah, just that. So this is so yeah, just that because I bought something from online. So just that. So let's start opening it. So here we go, because they plastic it with newspaper because I didn't know. So let's start opening it. We're just gonna continue it. Oh, oh. Gotta be takes too long. So here's the box like this. So here it goes like this. So yeah, just like this. It was like this. So let's opening it. Just a piece of plastic. So this is the watch. It's like this. So just how the way you want to using it. So it just like this. Oh, so it was just like this. Yeah, just that. So yeah, kind of too big. Ah, God. Just this. So also I don't know what is this for. So yep, just that. So thank you very much and subscribe it and bye bye.